Oh yeah, that's the color I'm looking for. All right. Oh, don't fall. Check this out, y'all. We about to do what I call a poor man's barbecue. And I got a pork butt roast. And you be like, why you say that? Because I got roughly 5 pounds for $4.68. Do you hear me? 5 pounds for $4.68. I couldn't pass that up, y'all. We gonna beat this recession together. We gonna still have us some fun in the recession with a poor man's barbecue, and it's looking really decent. Bone in, man. So that one probably shouldn't. We shouldn't even have to cook that one that long. Maybe, I don't know. We'll try. See if we can get this one done in about 6 or 7 hours, since it's a small one. Y'all know them big ones, boy. Those can take half a day. Yeah, so we're just gonna make this real simple on here. We ain't gonna put no binder on it or nothing. We just going straight in. We're going straight in. Hit it with some Lorries. We could be just a little tad bit more liberal because it's such a big piece of meat. So we ain't going too crazy. Just like that. Got Lorries. And I got my own low sodium rub here. Use any rub you like. It's your poor man's barbecue. Ain't nobody gonna complain because they gonna be get ready to eat a whole lot of meat, and you gonna probably invite people over and say, man, come on over, man. I'm barbecuing and I'm doing pork butt. We gonna have pulled pork, make some sandwiches, some tacos, have some fun, not spend a lot of money. And that's just the price, y'all, in my area. So I don't know. Check some you gotta check like your local markets, like the big food places. Like your big chain grocery stores. They're not gonna have no deals like this. So I had to go up to, in my area, I had to go to a town over, Gary, Indiana. Go to County Market. Man. They know they got them deals on the meat. Get that bad boy covered. Don't be afraid. All right. She covered. All right, gonna let that hang out. Get the smoker up the temp. Go fire that baby up. Hey. Now I can feel good by saying, hey man, you want some barbecue? I'm gonna get some of this to the in-laws. And man, we gonna have a good time. I only paid $4.68, under $5, and we about to feed about 6 people with this. Come on, a full meal. Man, these birds are getting it in. All right, let's get this on the smoker. Yes, it's gonna be nice. Just gonna do this, baby. We're gonna go fat side up. We're gonna let it cook. Set our timer. Come out here in about 3 hours, see what it look like. I got water in the water pan for moisture, so I should be good. I ain't gonna even worry about it. All right, let's get this thing smoky. Get some more hickory wood up in here. All right, spread yourself around. There we go. Hickory. Oh yeah. That's the color I'm looking for. 161 still. So y'all see what we're working with. So it looks like it's just stalling right now. So we'll go ahead and wrap it up. All right. Don't fall. This baby a nice tuck in. The other side look nice too. Yeah, let's do a double wrap. Like that. So maybe a good hour and a half should do it. Hopefully. All right. The wind has totally went down, y'all. All right, check this out. This thing has been on here for 8 hours. Whew. Finally done. 205. Man, all right, finally coming off. This is just a lesson, y'all, to not take barbecue for time. You gotta go by temperature and feel. That went straight through like butter. Finally coming off. I estimated 6 hours, but it took 8. And this is for a little baby. Whew. I'm tired. We made this poor man barbecue. Still real toasty. Oh, it's so jiggly. Ooh-wee. All right, let's get this joker busted open. All right, boy, this thing looks gorgeous. It is super tender. There go the bone. Easy peasy, baby. Easy peasy. Yeah, I see how that is. Do it with your hand. You get a fork and everything and do that. Just like that. So juicy. All right, let's see if I need to add any finish this season. I like that. All right, so first off, you could do this plain, or we could do what we all know. Let's get this over here. A classic pulled pork sandwich. Get a little bark here, yeah. Since you made it, pile it high. I got some grilled onions here. Yes, Lord. Yep, got my pickle. I got some fries coming. It's gonna be like in the restaurant, baby. Check that out. Boom. That's the basics. And then show you the other way. Everybody love tacos. This is for Shimona. She want her some tacos. So we gonna make it look real pretty. a food truck or something. Yeah, like that, yeah. Load them up. So people, come to your spot and be like, man, he loads them up, baby. That's why I go to him. Alright, so we got it pretty loaded up on the protein. Alright, let's get some veggies on here. Bam, bam, bam. A little spinach here. That color, see that color is starting to pop. The color is popping. Boom, boom. Boom. The red one. Like that. Some onions on the top. That's a few onions. Get them a lime right here and a lime right there. Sure, she better watch out. I eat her tacos. Let me go ahead and take this to her. Hot fries, hot fries. You ain't nothing without some hot fries. Hot fries. Come on. Yeah. Go to the restaurant, you gotta have your fries, right? Saves fries for my baby. See how the sandwich do. Yeah, buddy. Finish it off with a pickle and a hot fry. Good stuff. Amazing. $5 spent. So check this out, y'all. I'm about to finish up eating. Y'all saw how we did it. And also, too, time is just a small indicator when you're barbecuing. I estimated this at 6 hours, and that darn little thing took 8 hours. But the 8 hours worth it. It was good. It was warm outside. I wasn't doing nothing anyway, so. And I got enough food to last me a couple of days. And invite some people over, come over and get them a sandwich, get them some tacos. All right, peeps, just like that. Appreciate you as always. Thank you for your time and watching. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. And please keep on liking the videos. And we going to get it on strong. Yes, yes. All right, peace.